So I want to share a cool little application really quickly here for any cybersecurity professionals or anyone looking to upgrade their system, whether it's for a VM or anything of that nature. It's called CPUID, and once you click it, it'll run. Obviously, it's taking a little minute here. It's checking all of the configurations of the system and it'll let you know exactly everything you have. Now, for me, I needed extra memory for my VM system, so I needed memory and I needed to know the information for my memory. So I went here. You can get more information, the model of your computer right here, and your CPU information. And a great thing they have here in tools is you can go ahead and check out these options. But what I did to export the information was export it to a text file straight to the desktop, and it gave me all the information in text form. So when I was getting ready to, excuse me, buy a CPU, some RAM, I apologize, I was able to go through here and get the information that I needed. So hopefully this is a cool little tip for you guys to get the specs on your computer. Um, if you're trying to set up a VM and need extra RAM or any other components that may be specific to your personal laptop or desktop. All right, have a good one.